Hi, this is Philip from WGP team. Today I want to introduce POE05 UPS and how to use it. This is gigabit POE port with 48 and 24 voltage. Select by switch. This is the USB output with Quick Charge 3.0 standard. It can smart charging your device fastly. Below is how to connect with your POE device. First, select measurable voltage to your 48 wireless AP. Second, connect the UPS POE port to your AP with network cable. Third, turn on the UPS. Then connect AC cable to the electricity. If you have a 12 voltage Wi-Fi router, connect with the accessory DC cable. That's all. Thanks for watching.